Do you need to pick up a small gift for a crafter you know, or maybe stuff their stocking? Hi, I'm Jess from JessCrafts.com, and I'm here to help you make the most of your crafty supplies and time. Today, I'm going to share with you some gifts that will be perfect for the stocking of any card maker, stamper, or paper crafter. Let's take a look.
Paper crafters, stampers, card makers, we use a lot of adhesive. We have to glue the pretty things to the other pretty things to do our craft. And so we use a lot of different kinds of adhesives, and we'll be pretty much happy with whatever adhesive you want to pick and put in the stocking. So I created this gift guide with the idea of like, you don't know what your crafter has or what they might need, and maybe they give you a wish list and that's great, but if you just wanted to have some things that like pretty much any paper crafter would enjoy, that's this list. So we love ourselves some liquid glue. Barely Art is really popular, and scrapbook.com Artiste is pretty comparable, so either of those would be a great pick. Adhesive sheets and adhesive rolls, so you can have a similar thing where we're gluing really large things. So sometimes we need to be able to die cut our adhesive. Trust me, we have all kinds of adhesive needs. And then if we're just sticking two pieces of paper together, then sometimes you just want a tape runner. So there's a lot of those out there. And this one is a refillable one from scrapbook.com. Sometimes we want to stick two things together, but we don't want them to be right on top of each other. We need something in between. So that's when we bring out our foam tape, our foam squares. And finally, sometimes we want to stick two things together, but not for very long. We just want to kind of tack them together. And so a low tack tape like scrapbook.com mint tape is perfect for the job. Unsurprisingly, paper crafters love paper. I wanted to suggest the A2 paper pads from scrapbook.com. There are specifically some other small paper pads that you can get out there, but I thought these ones were pretty nicely stocking sized. As you can see, kind of compared to my hand, they're about 4¼ inches wide, so they will fit in some stockings. And maybe you can pick out a patterned pack that your crafter would really like. Or maybe you're not quite sure and you just want to go with something fun like a shiny holographic paper or some rainbow glitter paper, because, you know, most crafters like rainbows, colors, things that shine, etc. You may not know much about what is in the crafting space of your crafter, but you know there's a lot of it and they probably need to organize it. So one of my suggestions would be these zipper top bags from scrapbook.com, because you can get inexpensive zipper top bags, but they break, and we don't want all of their precious craft items falling all over the place when the zipper gives up. So let's just, you know, treat them to something a little bit nicer. It also can double as kind of like a way of putting a few of your items that you purchase in, and I'll show you that a little bit later. And then they're probably gonna love these. If they don't have them, they'll want some, and if they have some, they'll want more. They're the scrapbook.com stack and sort trays. They're helpful for keeping your die cut pieces organized so that they don't lose a thing when they're crafting, and then when they have to stop and, I don't know, maybe make dinner, I don't know if we really want to be doing that. We probably just want to keep crafting, but we could stack them on top of each other and put them to the side and keep our projects nice and organized. Something that crafters often like to do is just to try a new medium or technique. And so I've tried to pick some things where if you purchase it, it's okay to have a second one, because eventually they run out. And so they'll be happy to have a backup. There's texture paste like this one from scrapbook.com. It's called Cloud Whip. And you can use a lot of these other mediums to add some color to this. And then it will give them dimension on their projects and make their cards extra special. There are pops of color from scrapbook.com, although you can also find these in other brands. This is basically just a glitter glue here, and then this one is a sort of just like shiny enamel look. If you're not a crafter, you might not be familiar, but don't worry, just pick a cute color. Throw it in the card. Next up, they might enjoy some shimmer spray. This adds just a sort of overall look of sparkle onto a project. You can spray it. Hopefully they have a spray box and they don't just glitter everything in your house, but you know, that's part of living with a crafter. Glitter gets everywhere. And there's also glitter brush markers. Now this will help. If you don't want the glitter everywhere, your glitter paper, that's not going to put glitter everywhere. The glitter stays. You can't, like, even when you cut it, it doesn't come off. So if you're a little glitter adverse, maybe steer your crafter towards some of these. And then this one allows you to put glitter and color down with a brush tip so you can control where it goes. Maybe a little bit better than that shimmer spray. And then we also have distress sprays. There is distress spray stain and oxide spray. You don't have to know the difference. Your crafter will watch a video to find out. Just get one of each. Next up, we're going to need some things to embellish our project. So once we got that paper down, add a little bit of pizzazz to the project with a sticker. There's different sticker books out there, dimensional stickers, and trust me, they're just going to use these up. There's once it's gone, and so there are, like I said, dimensional stickers, cardstock stickers, letter stickers, sentiment stickers. These are basically just a fancy kind of sticker. They're dimensional dots. They're called enamel dots. They're really fun. And also things that let them add sentiments quickly for that time that you're going to ask them if they have a birthday card. Approximately 15 minutes before you leave for said birthday celebration, they're going to want to have the rainbow sentiments on hand. Quickly pick a happy birthday or some other sentiment sheet. Make things really fast, or some rub-ons, which also allow them to apply a sentiment quite quickly and they be there to save the day. Your crafter works hard, makes little beautiful works of art, and then needs to send them. So something that you can gift them that will always be useful, like many of the other things that I have suggested so far, are pretty envelopes in nice colors and fancy washi tape. So what you do with these, you can put them on the cards too, but just to make sure that everyone knows how special the card they're about to receive is, you can take a little bit of this special tape and use it to seal your cards. You know your crafter's gonna love that. If you're shopping at scrapbook.com, and I've shared a lot of their products today, I think they have a lot of great things that are perfect for just any crafter, a lot of just like everyday basic supplies. They often have a free gift with purchase. So be sure that once you've filled your cart, and there's a printable list. So if you're not, if you're trying to remember all of these things, there's links in the video description, but there's also a printable list. And if you are a crafter yourself, you can print that list off and give it to someone who wants to give you a gift, or just leave it sitting around as just a sort of general idea, and see if someone picks it up. You can cross off the things that maybe you don't want and add a couple suggestions or whatever, but I wanted to make it simple for everyone involved. So make sure you go to the scrapbook.com coupons page and add whatever additional free gift is. It'll probably be also a great stocking stuffer or a little crafty gift for the crafter in your life. And then, of course, no matter how full the stocking is, there's always room for a gift card. So you can pick up a gift card to whatever their favorite crafting shop is. Scrapbook.com has ones that when you purchase it, it gets emailed to you instantly, and then you can print it out, and they make it such that when you print out the paper, it actually has little lines that show you how to fold it into a card and add some personalization just to make things super easy for you. So I want to show you how to kind of group up all the things that we've suggested to make it look like you are really thoughtful, even though you know maybe very little about crafting, but make a really cute gift for the crafter that you're giving to. So you can take their gift certificate, a little paper pad, some of the envelopes, the washi tape that they're gonna need to send their cards away, a little adhesive, because we always need more adhesive. Maybe that fun glitter brush pen that you picked up, zip it all up, gift done. So I hope that you have enjoyed this look at some ideas for gifts for crafters, to stuff the stocking, to put with a gift card, to show a little bit of thoughtfulness when you're really not too sure about what a paper crafter card maker stamper might like. Again, you can check the link in the video description to get a printable list so that you'll know exactly, check them off, keep track. You can find the links so you don't even need to think about it. Just click it, add it to cart. There you go. They are affiliate links, so I will earn a little commission on them. Just want to be super upfront about that, but it mentions it in the video description as well. If you like this video, here's another video where you can find more ideas for enjoying your crafty time and supplies. If you're not a crafter and you're just here to get ideas for one, you can take that video and send it to them in a link. Don't send them this video because we don't want to spoil what you're getting them for Christmas or whatever holiday, birthday, etc. that you're getting it for. But, send them another tutorial from me because I will help them to use all of their crafty supplies. I hope this video was helpful and you have fun shopping for the crafter that you know and you enjoy whatever gift-giving occasion is about to happen for you. Have an awesome day. Bye.